Thanks for watching my videos, and I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, if you can subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot to me. Better yet, join the channel as a member. You can find the link down below. It would mean a lot to me, and you will get early access to content such as this and many other things I'm going to post to members only first, before everyone else sees it later. So if this is important to you, if this matters to you, or you wish to support me in what I'm doing, I would really appreciate it if you consider that. Thank you so much.